Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Toy Story theme song on piano. We will begin by identifying the song's key signature, which is crucial for understanding the melody. Next, you will learn the four primary chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These chords form the harmonic backbone of the piece. Finally, we will practice the basic chord progression to build a solid foundation for the entire song. Now, let's focus on your right hand to play the iconic melody. Start by finding middle C and then locate the first few notes of the tune. Remember to use proper finger numbering, typically 1 through 5, for smooth transitions between notes. Begin practicing at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, to ensure each note is played accurately and with the correct rhythm before speeding up. For the left hand, your role is to provide the harmonic accompaniment by playing the root notes of the chords. For example, when the chord is C major, play a C with your left hand. It is essential to maintain a steady, consistent rhythm throughout the piece. Practice coordinating your left hand's chord changes with your right hand's melody, ensuring both hands move together smoothly and in time. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Start by playing the entire piece at a very slow tempo, focusing on the coordination between your left and right hands. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase your playing speed by 5 to 10 beats per minute. Remember to listen closely to the original Toy Story song to capture its unique timing, dynamics, and overall emotional feel for a truly authentic performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.